Long-term exposed to harsh marine atmosphere, port machinery is constantly under attack from water, oxygen, salts, sunlight, and high temperature. Hempel is proud of its over 100 years of experience in developing and applying coatings. We play a key role in protecting port machinery and facilities. Our professional technical advisors are always available to provide you with professional technical support. During coating application, we can offer application training, surface preparation inspection, application conditions monitoring, film thickness measurements, as well as various inspection reports required in the application process. Our full-range technical support has effectively guaranteed smooth implementation of the projects and the reduction of maintenance costs afterwards.